Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany of BrittanyJJones.com. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome. I hope that you will like what you see and subscribe below for more. In today's video, I'm so excited, friends, because we're taking a little field trip. We are going fabric shopping. I'm so excited. It's been 5 months since I've been to a fabric store, and I showed you all the haul when I went to Gail K Fabrics. That was 5 months ago. In between then, I have been to maybe Hobby Lobby once or twice. And for Black Friday, I did order fabric. I ordered like some quilted fabric, a denim, and a knit. 3 fabrics from Lyrical Fabrics. I see Mimi posting about them. So I was like, okay, let me go ahead and give them a try. It's Black Friday. It's a sale. Let's see. That fabric actually arrives tomorrow, so I'm excited about that. But today, I am going to go to Fine Fabrics. I've been to them before when they were located in Norcross. They have since moved down to Jonesboro, and I haven't been. And today is the day. I'm gonna change that today. I have about an hour drive to get there, so I decided to go ahead and pull some patterns. That way, I'm not wasting my time while I'm in there. I'm probably gonna have hour and a half, 2 hours max to shop before I need to get back home and get in the car pickup line. So I really don't have time to waste. So I have pulled some patterns here. This one here, I love this. This is Simplicity 3035. I need a zipper. I already have fabric, so I need to find a good zipper. I don't know if I want to find, it says it just needs to be a medium weight zipper. But anyway, I want to make this top, this knit top. I already have the fabric for it. I may even have enough to do the skirt. I don't know if I do the skirt though, but that's not the point. I really want to make the top. And so I just need a zipper. So I've already cut a swatch of the fabric. So I already have a swatch cut right here. This is what I'm going to take with me to look for a zipper. So that's that. I'm going to take this pattern. This one here, I already have fabric for in my stash as well. The only thing I don't have would be the buttons and the lining. So I want to look for buttons and lining for this. Actually, let me get the fabric so I can cut a swatch. I found this at Hobby Lobby like last year, I believe, and I literally didn't do anything with it. So let me get my scissors to go with this and some buttons. I need lining and buttons. Okay, now this one here, I love this skirt. I think it's so fun, and I love the play on it that they have here. It's different, but I think it's so cute. I want to find some plaid fabrics. Maybe if I can find a stripe and a plaid, I think that would be super cute for this skirt. This is Vogue 1820. And then I have a lot of coat patterns. This right here is a poncho. I see I cut out the pattern, but I never made it. So this is something I definitely know I will get some wear from. This is Simplicity 9649. Now I know I have some black wool here, some red wool, and I have a purple. I don't know if I can pull off a purple poncho. I don't know. Actually, let me get the purple fabric. This is giving like, I don't know, this is actually kind of nice. It's kind of nice. Wait a minute. She's kind of cute. Ooh. I don't know. It feels really nice and soft, actually. What do we think about it for this Vogue 9340? It's too much. I think this should be done in red. It's giving a Little Red Riding Hood. That needs to be red. But this could probably work for the poncho or for this one. 8930. Maybe I'll just do view A. I think I'm leaning toward, well, actually I need to see how much fabric this is. I honestly don't know. But maybe I'll just lean toward view A down here. Let me cut a swatch. I think I'm going to make that with that. I think that could be cute. Which then now I need something for this. Okay. Other things on my table here, which I am excited about. So I have black wool and I also have red wool in my stash. I love the red for Little Red Riding Hood. I really do. Did I cut this out too? Why? But I do need lining for this, so I can either use the red or the black for this right here. I love this. I love this. I have not made it yet. I love this. Obsessed Vogue 2074. As you all can see, I want to make some pieces. I have enough. Actually, I would never have enough pull-on pants. I would never have enough sweatshirts. I love those things. I do think there's a time and a place to make them, but I just don't want that to be everything. I'm always talking about I need a better balance of things that I make just to show on social media and things to wear in real life, which I feel like I will always be in that, trying to get that balance together. But I would wear this to church if me and Jerome go out. And it's just a piece. It's a piece in the closet. You know what I'm saying? I would wear this every day. I won't wear this every day, but I go to church every week. These are pieces that I can make and wear, do things on the weekends. And I've started to actually be kind of mindful of what I'm wearing and try to put a look together, if you will, like a nice jean or a shoe. Wear a shoe I haven't worn in forever. Wear one of my bags that's just been collecting dust. I've been trying to be more mindful of things in my closet to wear them. So I feel like I'm kind of entering a phase where I want more pieces. Also have this skirt out right here. I think this is the perfect time to make this in a nice plaid. So yeah, I'm going to take this with me too. Will I buy fabric for all of these things? That depends on the cost of the fabric. That depends on the cost of the fabric. I don't have to get everything right now, obviously. But linings, I feel like linings is not going to be that expensive. And I feel like that's majority of the things that I need. So I'll see how much fabric costs and then I'll make the decision from there. But let's go ahead and pack these patterns. So let's go fabric shopping. I'm excited. All right, y'all, I just made it. It's 10:26. They've already opened. They open at 10:30. I see people walking in, so I'm going to go ahead and get in there. I'm so excited. It's cold. Okay, this is the vinyl upholstery section. It's really good. I haven't seen any denims yet, which I don't need denim. Oh, that's thick. I'm not doing anything with this. All right, that is it. We're back in the car. I'm about to go home. I'll get back in plenty of time to get the children, but I'll stop and grab me some lunch. Y'all saw I doubled back. I had purchased the first things on my way out the store, and I asked her would it be okay if I go around vlog kind of show a little bit more of the store. She's like, yeah, walked up on that double face situation. I don't even know what it is. I don't even know how to prep it, but I'm excited about it. I'm excited. All right, friends, that's it. I'm going to head back home and then I will show you all everything that we got. All right, we have made it back home. I am so excited. I'm really happy with my time there at Fine Fabrics. Again, it took me about an hour to get there, an hour back. And I just thank God for Traveling Mercy, number one, because it was only one spot where like I had to slow down and like it was, you know, when you're doing the maps, it's like the yellow line and the red line. That only happened once and it was still like a steady flow. And then I was back rolling. That like rarely happens in Atlanta traffic, if you know, you know. So to have smooth driving there and back, I thank God. I thank God. I thank God for Traveling Mercy. But let's go ahead and talk about what I got. Let me grab my purse because I want to get the patterns out. Okay. So I almost made myself a little overwhelmed and I am so grateful. I was like, get back to the plan, Brittany, get back to the plan. So for this skirt right here, Vogue 8956, I really like view F on it, the one down here. I don't know if I'm going to stick to it because I feel like the fabric I got for it, the plaid, is a little bit more heavier. So I don't know if it's going to drape like it's draping here on Elf. If it doesn't, that's fine. I could definitely use this fabric for something else because I really like it. But I got this plaid here for that. I love it. I love it. And let me see for F. Okay, I got 3 yards of it because they don't do like 3/4, 3/8 cuts. It's just half increments. So I just went ahead and rounded up. So I got 3 yards of this plaid. Really nice. It may drape. It may give me the drape that I want. But I love this. I think it'd be great with some boots, a nice little top or a turtleneck. So this is the first one that we got. Okay. So I'm gonna show you everything I got first. And then after I checked out, I asked her if I could still walk around and get some footage. That way I can like add more footage to the video. I spotted another fabric, which I was like, dang it, we should have just left out the store. But let me show you all what I got first. And everything I got first, this came up to $82.29. So that was the first one. And again, that was 3 yards. The fabric was $7.99. This next one here is just like a navy satin. I got this to use as a lining fabric with this tweed here. I think that'd be pretty, kind of pick up on the blue here in the tweed. And what did we say this one was for? We said it was for this pattern, right? Honestly, this is a lot of fabric. How much is needed for this jacket? I may be able to get something else made out of this because this is a lot of tweed. I probably got maybe 3 yards or more with this, but for the lining, I got 2 yards. I got 2 yards of the lining and it was $5.99. 2 yards, $5.99. And in this store, there's not any cute labels, you know, no fabric contents. It's the fabric and it's the price. So I don't know the exact contents. I'm just going to treat it as call it a satin and a satin lining. That's what we're going to go with. So I got the blue to pair with that and to make Vogue 2053. I got 1 yard. Oh, this one sounds different. This one sounds like she may have some nylon in it. I didn't know it sounded like that. Like I just put the bolt on the counter so I could only feel the outside. And I feel like, oh, this feels nice, but giving raincoat, I'm just saying. But anyway, I got this to go with the Little Red Riding Hood jacket, Vogue 9340. It only needed 3/4 of an inch, so I got 1 yard of this lining, and this was $4.99. So I got this to go with that. I already have some red wool here, so got some black lining too. So the black, I have black wool here. What did I have in mind for this though? I got 4 yards of this. This was $4.99. I know I have black wool at home and I have a lot of it, so maybe that's why I just got this, knowing I had wool at the house already. I don't know, but anyway, 4 yards of this for $4.99. I did get a zipper, and I think this is shorter than what I actually needed. I need a 9-inch zipper, but it says cut to fit. So this might end up being perfect. You know, I'm not gonna, why am I trying to hold it up? Girl. But anyway, I'm not gonna trip. So I just got one zipper for this pattern here, Simplicity 3035, because I already have fabric at home. And then I got these buttons. Well, actually, these are snaps. So these are snaps for the Little Red Riding Hood Vogue pattern. And they were $1.50 for 4. So I just got these big snaps. I honestly thought I was going to find like some magnetic ones. Is that just for bags? I got these kind of ivory buttons here to go with the tweed. To kind of go with the tweed, I thought that these were cute. They have like a little, I don't know if you can see it. Probably can't, but I thought these were cute. They had another really cute pair. It's like a wavy kind of button. I should have got that one. Okay, so this was $3.50 each, and it's 2, 4, 6 buttons in here. This one was $2.99. It's 2, 4, 6 buttons in here. I just love these. I don't have anything to put these on. I just thought these were cute, so I just grabbed these. Again, these were $2.99. These right here, I feel like they're just a staple button to have. They were $3.50. Thought these were pretty cute. These might actually be cute on the tweed jacket too. So I got that. Also, 5 in here. It's 5 in here. And then I got a black pair. Got that. And this one is $3.25 each. It's 6 in here. So I think I did pretty good. Again, that was $82. All of the linings in the plaid fabric as well as the zipper. So let me pop these back in here. So that was the first bag. And then I doubled back and got myself in trouble. And I spent $64. So 82 and 64. Let's just call it $150. This one here, I got 4 yards of this. So this is a faux fur Sherpa backing fabric. One side. And then it's Sherpa backing. I love this, and I think this is gonna be for Vogue $89.30. Yeah? Do it in either view A or view B. I think I'm gonna do view A because view B was 4 yards and a quarter, and they don't do the quarter cuts. I could have did 4.5 though, but I ended up just getting the length for view A. So it'd be the shorter length here, but it still have the pockets. And I just think this being the right side and then this, I love that. I did do some quick research on how to care for this. It says to kind of spot clean it. It says if it has a smell, just kind of let it air out. If it must be washed, do it in cold water and just let it air dry. I don't know. I don't want to risk the adhesive peeling, and I don't want to risk messing up the faux fur. But yeah, I got 4 yards of that. So that's it for my haul. I'm super excited. I hope you all enjoyed seeing a little bit of the store. I appreciated that it was well lit. It was clean. It was cold in there though. I will say that it was cold. The location, I do like that it's like really right off of the exit. Like as soon as you get off the exit, you go down a little bit, make a turn, and it's right there. The people in there were really nice. Yeah, and I was able to just kind of stack up fabric as I saw things that I liked. It had good traffic flow. It wasn't crowded. It wasn't empty either. So I appreciated that. And yeah, I just kind of took my time, walked through there, saw some things. I would definitely go back. I could see myself going maybe once every quarter and just getting a haul like I did today, maybe picking out 4 or 5 projects. I think that's realistic for me as opposed to just going in there getting a whole bunch of stuff. Or if I just want to treat myself and have a day out, I could definitely see myself going back. I will definitely go back. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video. I stopped and grabbed me some lunch, so I'm going to go eat. And it is 1:11, so I have, you know, almost an hour to relax and kind of chill before it's time to go get the kids. So today's been awesome. It's been awesome. So that is all for the video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all in the next one. Blessings, everyone. Bye.